Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Photos backup not working on a PC in 2026. First, open your web browser and go to Google Photos. Sign in to your Google account if you're not already signed in. One important thing to know is that the Google Photos website on a PC does not have a backup option like the mobile app. If you're looking for backup settings, you won't find them on the Google Photos web version. To upload photos from your computer, click the Upload button in the top right corner and select Computer. Choose the photos you want to upload and click Open. Wait for the upload to finish. If your photos are not uploading, first check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can interrupt the upload process. Next, refresh the Google Photos page and try uploading the photos again. You should also check your Google account storage. If your storage is full, new photos may not upload successfully. You can manage your storage by deleting unnecessary files or photos. If the problem continues, sign out of your Google account and sign in again. This can refresh your account connection. You can also clear your browser cache and cookies, restart your browser, and try again. For the best results, use the latest version of Google Chrome. If you want automatic backup from your computer, install Google Drive for desktop. Sign in with your Google account, choose the folders you want to backup, and enable photo backup. This is the recommended way to automatically backup photos from a PC. Finally, upload a test photo to confirm that everything is working correctly. That's it. This is the complete guide to fixing Google Photos backup not working on a PC in 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.